Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today I have an amazing video. Did you think you couldn't freeze your veggies and be ahead every day when you come to the kitchen? Come here, let's learn this amazing hack. You can keep all of the vegetables you're going to cook with already sliced, and you can do that in a day when you come from buying them, or you can do them as you take them out. For example, if you take out an onion or a bunch of cilantro, chop it up and freeze it. You can freeze your onions, your red onions, your green onions like you see right here, as well as your peppers, your bell peppers, your hot peppers, all of the different kinds of peppers you want, and you can have them ready to be used at any time. Onions, peppers, garlic, they are the base of many recipes. And if you have them ready, frozen and chopped, then you can go into the kitchen and cook in seconds without having to get all the kitchen dirty and your hands dirty too. So if you come and want to have something delicious made and you don't want to peel and cut the onion, the day you cut one onion, cut a lot of it. Pre-prep like a chef, any day. A mandolin is the easiest thing to use if you want to slice vegetables in seconds. You can freeze it vacuum packed, you can freeze it in containers, freeze them in the way they take less space, and hopefully you can stand them up like I have there. Now I have another amazing video on ice cube trays on how do you freeze your seasonings that you process them. You can do it in ice cube trays and you can also do it in bags. I'm going to show you the two links to the two videos so you can process the rest of your veggies and learn how to do shallots, shishito peppers, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and keep them at home in the freezer, ready to use. Chef Pachi, where delicious diets are sustainable diets. Enjoy!